Hey guys, this is Eric again, and this video is about another. Um, it's about another uh, Pax Forex mistake that they're going to continue to make if you have an account with these people. The most disrespectful people in the world. I'm this. I'm literally fed up with this bullshit. Um, it is downright disrespectful. I'm going to show you guys this trade, and I know you guys see a trade in my account right now, and it's probably going to go down even further, but I'm not really giving a shit at this point. Because they make money, or they make money when we lose money, they make money when we win money, so they're fucking bastards. So they're solely disrespectful. Um, so this is a trade that I entered, and I'll let you guys see that. Anyhow, the market was really the market was really volatile, like at this point, but it really wasn't. It really wasn't volatile at this point at all. So I entered the trade here, and obviously this was in profit for quite a few minutes. 5 minute chart, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 20 minutes. Suddenly the market didn't even open up at this time. No, the market opened here. The market opened here and went straight down 20 something pips. But look, I want you guys to see this. You see that little red line? It says stop loss at 28.22.8. But I entered that trade at 28.22.0. I was 0.8 pips. 0.8 pips above my entry level. 0.8 pips. You know how much money I lost on that? $416. I lost on that because of negative slippage. This is what you need to be aware of when you have Pax Forex as a fucking broker, a dumbass fucking broker. Because if you go with any other broker, regardless whether regulated or not, they will have the respect and say, "Oh, it was their fault. Here's the money back." Because if they want to keep you as a client, they should give you your money back for that, because that's not an error on their part. That's not an error. That is a financial institution problem. This program, MetaTrader 4, was designed so that you either lose money due to stupidity, or you lose money through, unfortunate circumstances that you didn't have a stop loss. So, but this program was designed to where you didn't have to lose that much money, even if you had that. So, once again, even in a financial crisis of anything, this should have not lost any money. I should have had 0.8 pips profit on this. But instead, the market opens up here and shoots down 20 to 30 points and gets me out at the bottom. How the fuck does this happen? This is total bullshit. And, luckily this doesn't happen all the time. But at the same time, this is just pure bullshit. I mean, yeah, I got all the money back. I made it all back. But that's besides the point. It's about principles. It's about respect for your customers and clients. I mean, I'm in business for myself, but I don't even treat my customers like this. If there's a problem that I can see that there's a problem, not with me or the equipment, but there's a problem, and I'm able to help somebody to overcome this issue, then I'll do what I can, but I'm not going to lose money at it either. So, and but and I don't expect them to lose money, but this is, I mean, hell, if I was in a 5 standard lot or if I was in a 10 standard lot, that this almost would have been devastating. I probably would have lost 5-6 grand on this if I were any higher on this. So let this be a lesson to other people. This is what you can expect from Pax, and I'll show you guys the disrespect that they have. So I emailed them my entry point, everything else. I said my stop was above the entry level. How can I lose money? I want this refunded back or to reflect what I should have won. So he says, and then I emailed my account manager, which my account manager ignores my emails. As a matter of fact, he probably deletes them to a certain extent. And then and they responded back, and it says they forwarded it to their technical team. I'm sorry, their technical team is imaginary. They don't have a technical team. Because I would hear from the technical team versus having to always hear from this person, Alice. So, and of course, I emailed them back and I says, I'm tired of these problems of negative slippage when my stop loss was above my entry, so this wouldn't happen again. And, I emailed them back, is there a resolution to this problem? And of course, I threatened them to blast it on YouTube, and that's what I'm doing right now. So here's their response. It says, we regret to say at this time of your order execution, the market was very volatile. Bullshit. Because of the high volatility of the market, there was no price used for a stop loss. Your order was executed by the best possible price. I'm pausing for a moment because I'm totally dumbfounded by this comment. The high volatility on the market, there was no price you used for a stop loss. Wait. What the fuck is that red line right there? Why does this MetaTrader 4 say stop loss at 1.28228? That's kind of weird. Yeah. Huh? But there was no price you used for a stop loss. That makes no fucking sense. This is the kind of stupidity that they think that their customers are, and I don't believe. I can't believe this, man. I really can't. This is unbelievable. How they think that I'm just gonna take whatever they got to say and there's nothing that they can do about it. I'm about really fed up with this shit, and I'm really fixing to go to another broker with better respect for people. these people are in cahoots with another bank. They've got a form of taking the money out of the account, and I think they're in cahoots with them because the only way that you can get the money is getting it wire transferred or going through Bitcoin. The United States does not. The United States does not even. Half the banks don't even recognize cryptocurrencies as a way of currencies. So, and the fact that it's fixing to pop like a damn bubble, I can't see where I'm going to win money or I'm going to have any money after I transfer it over to the bank. So, so no. I don't think this is going to happen. So, anyhow, very hard to get the money out from these people. And, it's just downright disrespect that they played me off as stupid for the words that they use here in this email. Unbelievable.